Hello and welcome back to Elise Little Things. So we're getting into the Easter, so I have decided to create some Easter pieces for the shop, as one of my followers on my Buy Me a Coffee page requested that I could design some Easter pieces for them. So I'm going to be working on that this month, so that way they're ready before Easter. I'm very happy about that. Like I said, if you aren't a member on my Buy Me a Coffee page, please do go and check it out. It's a great page where I can share everything that I'm doing, from ideas, from what's coming next to my shop, and what I'm doing on YouTube. And it's just another place where all my followers can support me and also can connect with me and get to know me a bit more, and also request designs and just basically be up to date on what's happening at Elise Little Things. So I want to show you guys my dreams headpiece I recently designed. It's from the original headpiece of Wonder Woman, so I basically took that and just resculpted it in my own style. It's now available on my Etsy shop to purchase if you're interested. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's a flat surface design, kind of three-dimensional looking. I wanted it to be more of a flat kind of design, but still has the organic twisty flow that I normally have in my designs. If you file it all and paint it all, it'll look really great. And it fits on me, I just have to shape it a bit. But remember everyone, if you want to buy one of these pieces, this one or the Wonder Woman piece, just remember when you print it out in FDM filament, you can also heat it up with a little hair dryer or a heat dryer thing, and it'll make it soft, so that way you can bend it and form it to your head shape, so that way it fits. Because this one fits, but it's a little bit big there, so I'd have to, and tight at the side, so I'd have to heat it up and then form it, bend it on the head so it fits your shape. But overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love it. The design was also a bit of a challenge, as I had to make sure everything was flat surfaced. I decided to call it Dreams Headpiece, as I thought that would be something different. So I decided to use the modular for this design, and I started off with a cube, and then I duplicated the cube, and now I will use the modular move tool to try and shape the design, so that way I can get my desired shape. So now I'll mirror and weld this shape, so I have one full shape that I can work on with the move brush. So now I will do the same with my other shape that I have in mind, where I will just bring in a cube and then just take the face from it, and now duplicate the cubes to create the shape, and then duplicate it to the other side, and also extract the design so I have some thickness. Now it's time to try and create the flat surfaces with the polish brush and also the move brush, so that way I have flat edges. Now I am going to transfer my design onto my Cura software, which allows me to 3D print my design. So first I need to rotate the object to the correct position that is good for 3D printing. In my opinion, I think having the piece upside down would make the piece grow better for 3D printing, and it won't need support. I've also recently been designing my dressing table, which I'm still working on, as I've got other designs that I'm working on too, so there's been quite a lot recently, a lot of designs that I need to work on, but this is the dressing table so far on ZBrush. So I just started with a cube and then made it to the size that I would prefer, and then I would duplicate that and create another cube a rectangle shape, so that way I can then insert a cylinder to create the mirror shape that I can sit on top of the piece. I love this tool called Gizmo that I'm using right now. It's a great tool. You can change the thickness, you can change the size of the piece and rotation, and also there's so many options in the settings that I can use with the Gizmo tool, that I can bend the design, I can add other shapes. There's so much that you can do on ZBrush that it's unbelievable. I'm really looking forward to sharing my Easter collection with you guys. I think Easter is such a nice lively time, as I love seeing all the flowers come to life, and I'm really looking forward to just keep designing and showing you guys everything that I've designed. Like I said though, I'm planning on going on a few trips very soon to Clane Castle, so I can't wait to share that with you guys, because that will be something a bit different where I'll be having a tour around the whole castle. So I'm looking forward to that. But I'll see you guys very soon, and I'll keep you all updated on what's happening at Elise Little Things. If you like what I'm doing and you would like to support me, please go ahead and check out my Buy Me a Coffee page, where you can support me and my memberships. Take care guys, bye.